In a major blow to Governor Newsom, a three-judge panel in the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals has unanimously sided with President Donald Trump by blocking the governor from taking back control of the National Guard from the president. The panel, which included two Trump appointees and one Biden appointee, specifically overturned last week's ruling by federal court judge Charles Breyer. In that ruling, Breyer found President Trump illegally mobilized National Guard troops to L.A. without consulting Governor Newsom. But the Trump administration quickly appealed that, bringing us to tonight's ruling, finding the president generally has broad authority to deploy the National Guard. So on his Truth Social platform, his social media site, the president wrote this. Here's part of the statement. The judges obviously realize that Gavin Newsom is incompetent and ill-prepared. This is a great decision for our country, and we will continue to protect and defend law-abiding Americans. So, of course, we have reaction from the governor. Governor Newsom is vowing to appeal. It's not clear what that appeal will look like right now. What can happen is there can be an en banc review, and the review that we saw right now was three judges from the Ninth Circuit. This could be a review with all the judges, the entire panel from the Ninth Circuit, or it could go to the Supreme Court. So here is the comment from the governor tonight. He said the president is not a king and is not above the law. We will press forward with our challenge to President Trump's authoritarian use of U.S. military soldiers against citizens. More reaction from California lawmakers. Attorney General Rob Bonta issuing a similar message. Quote, while it is disappointing that our temporary restraining order has been stayed pending the federal government's appeal, this case is far from over. We remain confident in our arguments and will continue to fight. Again, that is coming from the Attorney General here in the state of California. Well, it's been nearly